So that would be the core of the message today. So when I was approached to talk about pricing, it really resonated with me, especially since yung team is about ginhawa. I feel like as designers, it's something that we always try to chase. It's really true to me up until now, even like almost 10 years into running my own studio. So I wanted to give my thoughts and tips on how I'm able to create some systems para sa maginhawang design career. So para madaling maalala for all of us, I separated it into 4 points which stand for CASH or cash. So for the first point, it's having clarity and confidence in your pricing. So when I was starting, I would say I really priced based on emotion. So paiba-iba yung presyo ko. So when I would listen to a podcast about design, I would ask a designer friend about how they price. It would really influence how I price myself. So ang nangyayari, pabago-bago yung mga quotes ko. Pag may nag-inquire sa akin, mag-iiba yung pricing ko. And it wasn't firm, it wasn't confident. And anytime someone would ask me about my price, magulo yung sagot ko lagi. And it would put too much emotional weight on closing these projects. And ang mangyayari, magiging masyadong personal siya for me. And there was no room for growth with that type of mindset. But now, I would say, I now price based on logic. So ang malaking bagay talaga na nakatulong sa akin is, I started utilizing packages. So there was siguro a week or 2 na inupuan ko talaga. Ano ba talaga yung services that we offered? Ano ba yung packages namin? And nakaset na talaga siya. So in a way na when I go out to events or I meet new people, if they ask what I do, I say I do branding and they want to work with me, pwede ko na lang i-airdrop, pwede ko na lang i-send yung Google Drive link. Sobrang dali na lang for us to see if we can work together.